morning students, welcome to the next class of chapters 2, that is part number 11. And today we will do exercise 2.2, question number 5, 6 and 7. So first is question number 5. A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. The next day he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol. If the petrol cost rupees 44 per liter, how much did he spend in all on petrol? Now look at the question again. A taxi driver filled his car petrol tank with 40 liters of petrol on Monday. On Monday, petrol filled in the car is 40 liters. Next line is, the next day he filled the tank with 50 liters of petrol. On Tuesday, the petrol filled in the tank is 50 liters. On Monday, 40 liters. On Tuesday, 50 liters. Next line is, if the petrol cost rupees 44 per liter. Now the cost of 1 liter of petrol is given rupees 44. And question is, how much did he spend in all on petrol? How much is his spending on the petrol? This we have to calculate. Now look at the solution. Now petrol filled on Monday is 40 liters as given in the question. Petrol filled on the next day is 50 liters again given in the question. So total petrol filled in the car is 40 plus 50, that is 90 liters. In 2 days the petrol filled in the car is 90 liter. Also it is given cost of 1 liter of petrol is rupees 44 and he has filled 90 liter of petrol. So cost of 90 liter of petrol is equal to rupees 44 into 90, that is rupees 3960. So final wordings. So he spent rupees 3960 on petrol. This we need to find, and the answer is rupees 3960. Next question 6 is little bit same as that of question number 5. A vendor supplies 32 liters of milk to a hotel in the morning and 68 liters of milk in the evening. If the milk costs rupees 45 per liter, how much money is due to the vendor per day? Now again listen the question. A vendor supplies 32 liters of milk to a hotel in the morning. In the morning he is supplying 32 liters of milk and 68 liter of milk in the evening, and in evening he is supplying 68 liter of milk. In morning he is supplying 32 liter of milk. In evening he is supplying 68 liter of milk. Next line is, if the milk costs rupees 45 per liter. Now cost of 1 liter of milk is given rupees 45. And question is, but we have to find how much money is due to the vendor per day. Now the solution of this question. Now milk supplied in the morning is 32 liters as given in the question. Milk supplied in the evening is 68 liters. Total milk supplied in one day, that is 32 plus 68, that is 100 liter. 100 liter of milk is supplied to the hotel in one day. Also it is given cost of 1 liter of milk is rupees 45. If 1 liter costs rupees 45, then 100 liter costs rupees 45 into 100, unitary method, that is rupees 4500. So final wordings. So rupees 4500 money is due to the vendor per day. Next is question number 7. Match the following. First part is 425 into 136 is equal to 425 into bracket 6 plus 30 plus 100. Second part is 2 into 49 into 50 is equal to 2 into 50 into 49. Third part is 80 plus 2005 plus 20 is equal to 80 plus 20 plus 2005. and on the right side it is given A commutative under multiplication, B commutativity under addition, C is distributivity of multiplication over addition. So names of the properties are given on the right side, and on the left side some numbers are given with the sign of multiplication and addition. We have to identify which part represent which property. So come to the first part. It is 425 into 136. This 136 is written as 6 plus 30 plus 100. Means 136 is distributed between 6 plus 30 plus 100. Means it is distributivity of multiplication over addition. Distributivity of multiplication sign over addition sign. So this first part matches with C. 1 matches with C. Now look at the second part. 2 into 49 into 50 is equal to 2 into 50 into 49. Now look at these two parts, left hand side and right hand side of second part. The first number 2 is same in both the parts. Next 49 is here. In this 49 is at last. Here 50 is at last. Here 50 is at mid. Means what they have done, 49 into 50 is written as 50 into 49. 2 is same. 49 into 50 is same as 50 into 49. And this property we have already studied. This property is known as commutativity under multiplication. Either write 1 into 2 or write 2 into 1. Both are same. So this second part matches with A. Now look at the third part. 80 plus 2005 plus 20 is equal to 80 plus 20 plus 2005. Here first number is same in both the sides. Second number 2005. Here last number is 2005. Here last number is 20. Here second number is 20. And middle sign is positive. 2005 plus 20. 20 plus 2005. 2005 plus 20. 20 plus 2005. This is commutativity under addition. You can change the order. Either write 1 plus 2 or write 2 plus 1. Both are same. So first matches with C, second matches with A, third matches with B. So answer is first matches with C, second matches with A, third matches with B. Now look at the homework for today. The school canteen charges rupees 20 for lunch and rupees 4 for milk for each day. 20 rupees for lunch, 4 rupees for milk for each day. Now question is, how much money do you spend in 5 days on these things? This you have to calculate. This is your homework. That's all for today. Thank you students, and be safe.